This video will show you how to get started with CasePoint. This is after you install CasePoint. It's the first time you're going to use it. You need to log in with the credentials provided in the email. It's usually your email address and then a password. Click Login. We'll ask you if you want to bypass the login. I'm just going to say no. If you say yes, you won't have to log in each time. Main dashboard will load. On first installation, all these will be dimmed out. There'll be no active cases and no pending cases. First thing you want to do is you want to check the user management and verify that your credentials are correct. This will be your company name, address, email address, some of the settings, email type, alerts on or off. That will apply to the dashboard with the red buttons across the top. And alert on new web cases and updates. If these are checked, this administrator will be notified of any of that activity through the web portal. Also, your details, your tax ID number will associate to the invoicing, and that will be printed on your invoice. The default case folder location, this will be where your local folder will be set up on your computer or your local network. Access credentials, you can change your user ID and your password. You can also check your login, which will automatically log you into the web portal, so you can see what that looks like from there. Maintenance, you can back up your data onto your own computer, set your auto case number to start at whatever sequence you want, and turn logging on and off. This will turn off the error reporting. If you have a slow connection, this will increase your speed in CasePoint. Once you've verified all that, clicking back will take you back to the previous screen, which is the main dashboard. And since we just started CasePoint, I want to add a new case. The first thing I want to do is add any employees. So you would click on employees and fill in information that you would need. Fill in as much information as you have on the employee, especially their email address and name. You can put in notes. Also set the credentials, which will apply to the web portal, not the software. And you can put some of the basic rates in. Once you do that, hit back, and that saves everything. Next thing you want to do is add your contact. This would be the person that's assigning the case to you, either insurance company or a private company. Just put in some basic information to show you. Email address is also important here. Details, you can billing instructions, special instructions, and notes. Access credentials will be for the web portal. Checking case submission will allow them to submit new cases through the web. Once you generate this, you can click the automatic generate. You can check the login to verify it's working correctly, and you can also email them directly their access and credentials. You can also put in some basic rates. Same thing, clicking back saves everything. Now that we have checked our user management, we've added an employee and a contact, we can add a new case now. Click Add New Case. This is the subject case form. Just going to put in some basic information to show you. Subject information here with address, get into more detail on the subject. At this point here, you can click case number, or you can enter more information, click it later. Clicking case number will generate the next case number in the sequence and the format that's customized to your company. Other information can be entered. Assign contact. By default, it's going to assign a not assigned. You can select, I'm selecting the contact we put in. You can also select additional contacts if there's more people involved with the case that you want to have give access to. Assign employee, same thing. By default it will be not assigned. We'll ask you if you want to send an email alert to this employee of the new case. I'm going to hit no. Local folder. This will create a local folder on your network or your local computer. The settings for that was set up in the user management, the location for that. So any files can be dropped into here. You could also upload a picture. That would be through the updates, but that would be through another video. Once you click back, it will save this case data. And you can see now I have 2 active cases. When I started, I just had 1. And that concludes a basic overview of how to get started with CasePoint.